Welcome to another episode of Ask Elwood. My name is Elwood, and I'm here to bust down on your questions from the internet. So let's get started. This question comes from Walshy31 on Twitter, and he asks, any suggestion for white soles that have gone yellow, like Air Force Ones? So yellowing is a natural process. It's called oxidation, and you can't really do anything to clean it out. But the best thing you can do to prevent it from happening is properly storing your shoes. And the best way to store your shoes is in a cool, dry, and dark place like my Instagram DMs. And leaving those little silica packets inside the box because they help regulate moisture. And they taste fantastic. This next question comes from Turbo Spartan on Reddit, and he asks, do you do anything special with your brushes as far as keeping them clean? Like, if I have a brush and clean my shoes with it, should I clean the brush afterwards so that it doesn't deposit dirt on the next shoe I clean? Well, I got a question for you, Turbo Spartan on Reddit. Do you rinse your toothbrush after you brush your teeth? So it's really good practice to clean your brushes after each cleaning session because things like dirt and dye, they tend to sit in the bristles after each clean. So what I like to do is grab the brush and run it under the sink and kind of just brush it against your hand. What we're doing is loosening up all the dirt that's stuck deep inside of the bristles. And if you have another set of brushes, you just brush it back and forth together like this. And then after you're done, just leave the brushes with the bristle side down. You should be good to go. So this next question comes from Angel from our Ask Elwood email, and he asks, how do you clean Jordan 4 Cactus Jacks? Also, they have watermarks. Can you help me try and take that off? Thanks. So the good thing about watermarks is that it doesn't require any solution or brushes, and it's really simple to clean. All you need is the shoes. Thank you, Travis.
It's lit!
And what you'll do is dab the area that has the watermarks. For example, if the toe box has watermarks, you'd want to clean the toe box completely. I do it by panel, so we would just do this part right here. And then just dab it, make sure it's evenly coated with water. And then after that, let it air dry completely, and then dry brush it afterwards. So this next question comes from Chris from our Ask Elwood email, and he asks, how do you clean Jordan 1 shattered backboards? So here's my pair of Jordan 1 shattered backboards. They feature a premium untreated leather, so that means it's really sensitive to liquids and it absorbs liquids like crazy. So we clean this by each section. So we're going to start off with the orange parts first. What you'll need is our RTU foam and a clean microfiber towel. So you want to apply the foam directly onto the towel. Then after that, start off with the orange parts first. We clean it by section because you don't want any of the color transferring over to the different parts of the shoe. Make sure to evenly distribute it, nice and slow. It's really sensitive, so you got it. And after that, you want to do the next part of the shoe. That's orange. Same deal, evenly distribute it. Then, after you're done, you would use a different portion of the towel and clean up the white parts. If you're cleaning up the midsoles, I recommend the standard brush. Just try not to get the uppers wet. So this next question comes from Dilly Dilly on Twitter.
Dilly Dilly.
Dilly Dilly. Do you need to reapply Repel to shoes already coated with product after cleaning with the Markk shoe cleaner? So when you're cleaning shoes with solution in water, you're basically washing off the Repel. So it's like a clean slate and you got a new pair of shoes. So I would definitely reapply the Repel afterwards. Just make sure your shoes are completely dry. And that's the end of this episode of Ask Elwood. My name is Elwood. If you thought this video was helpful, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions for me, go on to the Sneaker Care 101 page at jasonmark.com and ask me a question because I got answers. And doot-doodle-oot-doot.